Hi, welcome to Hard Reason Info channel. The viewers in front of me Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so open the Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher and install it. Click open. Agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps. Click OK. That's cool. So here, as you can see, we have really minimalistic interface with my menu. We can find any application in alphabetical line. And here we have favorite apps. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's find it. Click open. Get started, agree, confirm, continue, valuing the app, allow several times, and click confirm. And click on the cross in the right corner to skip payments, because we can use this launcher completely for free, we don't need to pay for it. Cool. So here we have really beautiful interface, and here we have a main menu with really great apps grouping features. So here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. And here, if you will tap and hold on the free space on your screen, you can click on the background or wallpapers, and here we have really great wallpaper gallery that renews every day, and you have everyday beautiful wallpapers for your Sony device. For example, I like this one. So choose it, click apply. Go back. And cool. Great. That's it. So cool. Fine, as you can see, we have changed the wallpaper, and wallpaper was changed not only in Smart Launcher, but in all launchers too. But here, on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher, and now I'll show you why. And click install. Click open. Get started, value the app, allow, continue, skip, OK. Choose your favorite apps, click continue and go. And cool, so here we have a glance panel. In the glance we can stop all our widgets. It's very useful. In the main menu we have alphabetical line to easily find applications, and we have hide in apps feature. It's really great, but the killer feature of this launcher is gestures. So just open the launcher settings, find your gestures, and here, for example, choose 2-finger swipe up and click, for example, open apps, open files application, for example. Of course, you can choose your favorite app, and with this easily just, as you can see, application was opened. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.